Hello guys, it is currently around 10 o'clock on August 8th and 10 p.m. and I think I might be going into labor very soon. I've been having like on and off contractions all day, kind of like period cramps, so manageable, nothing too intense, but a little bit sporadic as well. So I haven't really been sure if it's actual labor, but I thought I would pick up the camera and just record and see what happens. But yeah, currently sitting on my birth ball. I've just had a shower, some dinner, almost finishing up some work, and swaying like this just feels really good. And the shower was amazing as well. Regular contractions. I just want to know when I should come, how far apart they need to be.
How regular are the contractions?
So now they are between 5 to 6 minutes and like 7 minutes. So like 6 minutes.
Okay, is this the first time?
Yeah.
One is, every 3 to 5 minutes, then I would think that you can come to the hospital.
Okay, 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
Got it. Okay.
Yep.
3 to 5 minutes we need. We are now at
6 to 7.
Okay.
6 to 7 minutes. And when it's intense, and when it's not, then it's okay.
How do you feel in general?
I'm really excited for this whole thing that's about to come, but it's also my first time, so I don't know. I don't know what to expect. I'm a bit tired.
Yeah, you woke up at 2.
Been up since 2:45, yeah.
She didn't even tell me that she had like contractions.
Yeah, because I thought at least one of us should sleep. But yeah, I'm really trying to stay on top of my breathing when they do come so that I don't lose control.
What helps you at the moment?
Really breathing in and making a sound, like a soft sound when I breathe out. It makes me focus on my breath. And I didn't even know that was something that I was gonna do, but
Instinct the same.
what feels, I'm like a little bit of bouncing and swaying.
So you're sitting like this right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was laying on this. My best friend right now. This ball. Nowhere else is comfortable. The couch is like, I look at it and it's like the most uncomfortable thing. But this ball is good. I was massaging my back. This feels really good.
Putting some pressure on it.
Yeah.
And here we go, the next one. Try to help her and touch her, but she doesn't want. So I think you will figure this out by yourself. Hey guys, we're getting ready.
We're in the car. Contractions are now like 4 to 5 minutes apart. Whew. Wait, I'm starting. Oh no, I have to get up. I have to get up.
Just bend over this door.
Okay.
Is it gone?
Sorry, I like panicked.
Is it gone?
Yeah, but it wasn't like a complete.
Okay guys, you have been live there. Nothing will happen if you have the contraction in the car with you.
I know, it's just, I just can't move. I feel like panicked almost. It's not so long to the clinic. It's like
The hospital is just next door.
they're getting more intense for sure.
You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job.
Thank you. It's also new.
I know.
It's like it comes out of nowhere. Just poof. Mo was saying to me today that if people drive fast, I always say that maybe their wife's in labor. And now it's like we're trying not to drive fast.
I
but,
said to her,
you know.
like, just bend over, like what is the dog position? What is it called? Like, you know,
downward dog?
Downward, no, but it's not downward dog,
No,
right?
it's feet on
Okay,
the
anyway, so basically, and she said, I mean, that's not legal. And I said, come on, you're pregnant.
My wife's
My
in
wife
labor.
is in labor.
It doesn't matter right now. But yeah, like between like these moments is fine. And then when it hits, it hits. So yeah. Anyway, on our way. And let's see what happens when we get there. I'm really excited to see how dilated I am. How dilated? Yes. You want to check? Guys, I'm 7 centimeters dilated. I wanted to hug her. I had definitely happy tears. It just feels good knowing that all of that was for something, you know. I would be happy if she said I was 2 centimeters or 3 centimeters. But 7, I mean, we're more than halfway there, so I feel very happy. Feel very, very happy. Now we're getting CTG scan of the baby's heart, and I just have to lay like this for about 20 minutes. So far, no contractions yet, so I'm fine. Oh no, I think I spoke too soon. Yep, definitely spoke too soon. Oh.
Spoke too soon.
Okay.
They're gone?
Yeah, it's gone. What the hell? How crazy is this? How insane is labor? Oh my god. The most insane thing ever. Like the feeling of emotions. I mean, you're just...
Breathe, breathe, breathe. She's now 8 centimeters dilated. We're almost there.
But the last one was really, this one was okay. So important to stay from the beginning on top of your breath.
Yeah.
Because you panic, like the last one I panicked.
Yeah.
Because I lost it.
Breathe, exactly.
Oh, we're almost there.
Yeah. You're almost there. You got this figured out. Nadia, we're gonna meet you soon. When you're gonna watch this video, one day, this is the day you're born.
Yes. In this very room right here, and it's
Yeah.
pink. It's like
And by the way, our room 11, has a crystal in there. Can
No
you imagine?
way.
I will show you.
oh my god, it's a salt rock lamp, I think.
Yeah.
That's so nice. That's like so cozy.
Yeah, it is.
That's really nice.
That's your room, by the way, and he hasn't seen the room yet.
No.
So it looks like this.
Oh, and it's like sanitized. It's
Yeah,
good.
everything's clean.
Oh,
A
cute.
little bath. And you have view directly to the English garden.
Oh, love it.
Look at this view. It's actually something that Annie would wish for.
Mm-hmm.
Good. And just...
Yeah.
Hmm?
Put the head down and the shoulders really loose, and now you feel like you curl yourself over your belly. So you make a round back. Very good. I'm just seeing with my fingers where it is. And you can move and sit yourself how you
Just
like.
breathe, baby.
But like this.
Mal so ein bisschen halten, links ist nicht einfach locker. Ein bisschen
So, wie so? Was soll ich halten, was?
ja, einfach so.
Achso, okay.
Ja, so nicht
You don't move now. I'm just inserting now the little catheter.
Contraction.
Contraction.
Don't move now. Breathe, but don't move. If you feel a little electric thing in the back, it's okay. Normal. Okay. Yes, you can relax now. Needle is out. Only the plastic catheter is in. Deep in, and you press. Good, good, good. Very good. Let the air in. Okay, and then breathe out. And now once more breathe in. And please press once more. Good, yeah, good. Okay. Okay, and then please lift up. And then relax. Yeah?
Mehr. Super. Prima, das ist gut. So wird's besser, gell? Schieb. Weiter.
Oh, there. Yeah, baby. Push.
Bringt schon besser. Nur ein bisschen. Weiter. Und stopp mal. Ja. Gut.
Oh, the head is almost out, baby.
Ja.
Push. It's almost there, baby.
Und nochmal.
Push. Come on, baby. Push.
Weiter.
Move on. Everything's fine. The head is out.
Kinder auf. Ja.
You did it! You're here! You're here, my baby! My love! How are you so perfect? Look at that face! Never saw a more beautiful little human. Look at all your hair! Yeah, that's mine! Yeah, my love! Yeah,
Hey, baby.
look at how perfect!
Hey, my love.
Look at your little nose! Yeah, my love!
Nadia, Habibti.
It's Daddy!
Hey, my chats. Habibti. We're gonna have so much fun. Why are you so...
That hair, baby!
I know.
Yeah, you blink those eyes, you get them nice and clean so you can see the world, right?
Okay, guys. It's another day. We made it. She's out. Nadia is officially out. For everyone who doesn't know her name is Nadia Rose. And she's so beautiful. So check. There's Annie. There's Annie and there's the little cutie.
She's like a sleeping little angel. Like a precious little flower. Her skin is so soft. She's so pretty.
How do you feel?
I feel really good. Except I'm tired.
Yeah. Annie hasn't slept since 3 days. So she's so exhausted. But Nadia,
So worth